So you're trying to figure out how to sell on Shopify. Well, you made it to the right place because in this video, I'm gonna walk you through everything that you need to know about selling on Shopify successfully. From how it works, how to set up and design your store, how to connect products, and most importantly, how to drive traffic so that you can start making sales right away. All right, so when it comes to creating your Shopify store, the good news is you don't need the experience that you used to need in order to get your store off the ground and running. AI has completely changed the game for everyone wanting to step into the e-commerce space, including you. Now you can literally get a fully built out Shopify store, loaded with winning products in a matter of minutes for the cost of less than a cup of coffee. And to do that, all you need to do is click the link in my description below, which is going to take you straight to my free AI store builder. Once you're here, you're just gonna come down and click on build my free store. This will be the next screen that you're gonna see, and you're gonna go ahead and enter in your first name, your email, and a password. After that information is filled in, just go ahead and click on next. Here's the next screen that you're gonna see, which is going to ask you what type of niche that you want with your online store. You have fashion and apparel, pets, electronics and gadgets, home and garden, sports and fitness, or I'm not sure. And if you click on the I'm not sure button, it is still gonna build you out a fully customized store and select one of these niches at random. And it really doesn't matter which one that you choose here, because again, I'm gonna show you how to fully customize this in a couple minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on fashion and apparel and then click done. Now you're just gonna follow a few more simple setup questions, and then from there, your store is gonna be completely built out. Now, once you click on the final submission button, you can see that the AI store builder is working to build the store out for you, but it is not gonna just stop there. The store builder is going to automatically load your store up with 10 plus winning products, carefully selected using the AutoDS product research tool integrated into the system, ensuring that you're set up with items already proven to perform well in the market. AutoDS is a tool that makes the entire dropshipping process just that much easier by giving you a place to do your product research using a variety of tools that sort different products for you by analyzing their popularity, searching the online market for trends, and showing you products with the fastest shipping times. This tool makes it so you can find all of these products, import them directly to your store, and automate the order fulfillment process so that once you do upload a product to your store, your Shopify store is already basically on autopilot. And if you're looking to add a product outside of the trending ones that AutoDS automatically loaded into your store, well, you just first need to know how to find them. And you know me, I got you covered with a full tutorial that breaks it all down right here. So once you've watched that and you found products that you want to sell, here's all that you need to do. So let's go ahead and say that this is the product that you want added to your store. What you're gonna do is come down over here and click on import. And now it says the draft upload process has finished. So go ahead and click to view. Once I click to view, as you see on the left-hand side, I'm in the draft section. And here I do like making small edits on the product before I do upload it to my store. So I'm gonna click on click to edit. First thing I like to do is change out the title. I like to make sure that every product that I sell, it can stand out in the market, so I like to purposely name my products. So I went ahead and deleted this title and I named it Always Warm Women's Fleece Line Leggings. Now that I'm done with this, I'll head over to the description. I'm not gonna edit too much here on the description because I will show you in a couple moments how to fully customize this. Next, I'm gonna come over here to variants. And here you can choose whatever variants that you wanna sell. As you see, there are multiple sizes and multiple colors. So choose whatever you want here. Now that we chose the variants, the next section is the images, where you can do the exact same thing. Go ahead and select whatever images that you want imported to your store. Now that we have the images that we want selected, we're gonna come over here and click on save and import. Now that you clicked on save and import, it should be directly imported to your store. So to go ahead and verify that, you wanna come back over here to your store, click on products, and just like that, it is right here. I'm telling you guys right now, this is by far the best way to start selling on Shopify, because you're taking out the days that it would typically take to build a high converting store and getting it done in just a couple minutes, even with limited experience. So at this point, the store builder has already handled about 90% of the work for you. But if you want customers to actually make a purchase when they visit your store, it's up to you to complete that last 10% by fully optimizing your Shopify store to create a seamless shopping experience that drives sales. But before we get into the step-by-step process of designing your store, I'm giving out a giveaway today. So if you want the chance of hopping on a free one-on-one consulting call with myself and my team so we can help you officially start your dropshipping journey successfully and answer any questions that you may be having, make sure to smash that like button down below and comment the word Shopify with your biggest takeaway from this video. So when it comes to making sure customers are doing exactly what you want, which is spending money, then having a clean, professional store that leads customers into checkout, this is going to be extremely important. And since the AI store builder has already scanned other successful stores, along with my own 7-figure online store to generate this one for you, well, most of the work is done. There's just a couple tweaks that need to be made. Let's go ahead and start off with the homepage. So to be able to even customize this, you wanna come down over here to online store and then click on customize. And I wanna make it clear that with the homepage, we are not driving traffic there. we are driving traffic to the product page of the main product that you're selling. So to be honest, there's really not a lot to do here and it shouldn't take you much time. First thing you want to go ahead and do is change the announcement bar and make this messaging around whatever sale that you currently have. Saying something like this, free worldwide shipping sale. Now throughout your homepage and throughout your entire store, you do want to focus on only using 3 colors max: black, white, and 1 separate color. So to be able to access this, customize it, and move the colors around, you can come over here and click on theme settings, colors, and there's all these different color schemes here. Since I understand that scheme number 6 is the same color that I'm seeing on my store, I know that that's the main scheme. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this, and if I go to the background, you're gonna notice that anytime I move my mouse on here, it's going to change the color. I actually like the color scheme that they're giving, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. At the top section, you already see you have a fully customized banner right here, and again, you can customize this any way that you want to. Now, right after this slideshow banner, you wanna follow up with this with a mission statement, explaining your business and why people should buy from you. So to do that, you wanna come over here and click on Add Section, Rich Text. Now that you have the rich text section added, you wanna go ahead and drag it right under that slideshow. Now from here, you're gonna go ahead and input the text that you want to highlight the things about your business. But if you're not good at writing or you just feel stuck there, make sure to use your resources to your advantage. Just head over to ChatGPT and tell it something like, hey, I run an online business and I'm looking to get a mission statement to highlight the quality of my product and my service. And within seconds, you're gonna have multiple different variations of things that you can work with. Now, since I told you earlier that majority of our traffic is going to go to the product page of the product that we're selling, we do want to have something on our homepage that is redirecting them back to that product in case they do go ahead and click off. So to do that, you want to come over here and click on Add Section, click on Feature Product. You want to take this feature product and you want to go ahead and put it right under the rich text. Click on the feature product, and right here where it says product, go ahead and click on select, and then select the main product that we just imported earlier. Then right after the feature product, you do want to have a collection of products that follow that. But lucky our AI store builder has already did the work for us because we have the collection already inputted. And then following that, you do want to go ahead and have reviews. I just had ChatGPT write these reviews just like I did with the mission statement, so I advise that you do the same. Once you're done with your homepage, you're going to come back over here to the top right and click on save. Your homepage is now fully set up and optimized to guide potential customers back to the product page of the item that they originally came to your store to buy. So now it is time to optimize the design of your product page, which is where all your traffic from your ads will be directed to. Let me go ahead and show you how to set it up real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and click out of the home page real quick by clicking exit. Come over here to products, click on the product that we just imported to our store, and I want you to take this full product description and I want you to hit the delete button. You're probably like, wait, what are you doing? But hold on, I got you. I'm gonna show you how to fully customize this out. Now that the description is taken out, we're gonna go ahead and click on save. We're gonna come back to online store, click on customize. In the same way I showed you how you can fully customize your product page, add in different blocks, and make it the way that you want, is the same thing that we want to do with our product page. So what I'm gonna do is click on this drop down button and click on products. Next, click on create template. I'm gonna name it after the product and click create template. Now with this change button, I'm gonna go ahead and click on change and then click on my product. And as you see, my product loaded up right away. The first thing I like doing is adding in a small description of my product right at the top of my product page. So I'm gonna click on this plus button and then add text. I added in a couple quick hitter, big opening statements of why people would buy this product right at the top of the page, which you can see right here. Now that that's done, I want to come down over here and click on add section, click on multi-row, drag that right under the pricing of your product. Now here, this is where you're going to highlight why somebody should buy your product, while also emphasizing more about the features and benefits of what this product can do for them. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the first one, and then for the heading, I do like having a very big opening problem-solving statement. Something like this: luxurious fleece for ultimate warmth. And then follow that up with a text highlighting how my product is going to solve that problem. Something like this statement right here. And I want you to realize with this text, I did bold specific keywords that I wanted to be highlighted to my audience. And this is something that you should do with every single section in your product page. Now that the heading and the text is entered, I'm gonna follow this up with a corresponding image. Now you have to understand that there's 2 types of buyers that are gonna come into your store: a reading buyer and a visual buyer, and you need to appeal to both people. And for the first image that I input, I personally like always using a GIF. And just like that, we are now finished with our opening statement. So the next steps is just following this up with more features and benefits. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out real quick. And just like that, I now have the product page fully finished. And I'm not gonna lie, this only took me a couple minutes. Where you see I have a nice clean product page. Simple, straight to the point, telling you exactly what this product is gonna offer you. Multiple different features and benefits of the product being highlighted correctly. Images and GIFs so that you can visually see what's going on. And even a sizing chart, because if you sell any type of apparel, you cannot sell it without having a sizing chart added to your product page. Now that that product page is finished, you need to go ahead and combine that template with the product that you're selling. So all you want to do is just come back over here to products, go to your product itself, scroll down and click on theme template, and go ahead and click on the one that you just created and click save. Now your product page is one step away from driving the sales that you're looking for. But the apps that you have on your Shopify store is what is really gonna make the difference in just a couple sales in a store that is booming with revenue. And I just dropped an entire video showing you the setup of all the apps that you need on your Shopify store to help you boost conversions. So make sure you go ahead and add it to the queue. Once you have your apps and your stores completely set up, it is now time to step into the conversation of how you're gonna drive traffic to your new Shopify store so you can start reaping the rewards of the work that you're putting in. But if you're someone who's ready to streamline the process and start making consistent sales with the help of myself and my team, so you can avoid mistakes and overcoming roadblocks effortlessly to achieve results like thousands of my students have, then click the first link in my description and apply for one of the limited spots available in my one-on-one coaching program while they're still available. Because myself and my team at Supreme Ecom, we're here to help you take your business to the next level. Now, let's talk about driving traffic to your store. Number one way that you're gonna do this is with the content that you have surrounding your product or service. Look, I've been trying to tell you guys, it does not matter what you're selling. If you have an ad that makes customers not feel like they don't just want the product, but need it too, the sales just won't stop. And how you're gonna get that type of content created is by first identifying who your buyer persona is. And right now, you have no idea how to do that. But here's where things get interesting. You just have to let people do the hard work for you, as there's already competitors out there scaling this product. The main thing you need to do is go through the comment section of your competitor ads, as they are gonna tell you everything that you need to know. In the comment section, this is where you're gonna find direct feedback from real customers on why they even bought the product in the first place, what they're using it for, and who is exactly buying it, which is going to help you create multiple personas, which helps you create multiple angles for your ads. And then once you get an idea of who your potential buyers are, you're gonna go ahead and write those down because it's gonna be very useful when it comes to getting your ads created. While watching these ads, you're also gonna wanna make sure to get a pros and cons list of what you like in the competitor ads that are driving traffic versus the ones that you don't like. But that first comes with understanding what makes up an ad that can convert viewers into sales, versus one that consumers just continue to keep scrolling past. A high converting ad is one that hooks in viewers right from the start, with either a visual hook or a statement that grabs the attention of your ideal customer. Then following this hook, then it quickly identifies a problem that the customer has, and then follows that up by highlighting the features and benefits of the product that can then help solve those problems. Then to close out the ad, you want to give the viewer a clear call to action with what steps they need to take in order to have this product and their problem solved. So with an idea of who your buyer persona is and what you should be looking for to get ads that will make you stand out from your competition, we've been working so hard behind the scenes to finally bring you Supreme Ecom ads. And now you can get access to high converting video, image, and UGC ads crafted by e-commerce experts who have been in the game for years, specifically designed to drive the traffic that you need to start hitting those life-changing sales. So here's how it works. First, you just have to pick your package. I personally recommend the Hyper Boost package because this one gives you 3 viral video ads and 4 photo ads. So you can test a mix of stills, videos, and carousels that each have their own potential to drive results. From there, you're just gonna fill out a quick questionnaire where you can drop in all the details, your competition's pros and cons, insights on who your ideal buyer is, and any specific elements that you're aiming for, where my team will then take all that information and craft the exact ads that you're looking for. Then within just 2 to 3 days, your ads will be delivered straight to your email or online portal with unlimited revisions until you get exactly what you need, since we're here to make sure that these ads are set up to make you win. Each one of these ads are crafted by writers and creators who stay on top of market trends to make sure that your content resonates with your audience and maximizes sales. And just because you're here, I'm gonna drop an exclusive discount that's gonna give you 10% off your orders when you use code ALEX10 at checkout. So now you can skip the headache and the stress of creating ads all from scratch and get it done the right way, where all you need to focus on is running ads and driving traffic to your store. And now with the high converting store created and understanding how to drive traffic to your store, it is now time to start actually advertising with your ads. And because you made it this far in this video, I know you'll be ready to do that in no time. And look, I already dropped an entire video where I teach you step by step on how to set up, run, and scale your ads, analyze your data, and actually start generating the results that you've been dreaming about. And I'll go ahead and meet you there so you can take full advantage of that. I'll see you in the next one. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.